what's going on, YouTube world? The dreaded thing has happened. Broken. A few scuffs, if you can tell. But thankfully, just that. Nothing too major. So you're probably wondering what the hell happened. That looks depressing as hell. Kind of good because it's shorty now, but broken, so kind of get away with it. So I'm taking the bike out of the garage. Kickstand never went fully down. The bike went sideways. Fell over, basically. So that's just me pulling it out of the garage. So luckily I went on the bike. The kickstand failed. It went all the way out properly. So when I set the bike down, the kickstand gave way and the bike went with it. The first official drop and breakage. We live and we learn, but we move. So that will have to be replaced at some stage. That bottom fairing will have to be replaced at some stage, but I'll do that nearer the time to get rid of the bike so that it's in pristine condition for the next person. It's official. I dropped the bad boy. Just getting it out the flipping garage. What a twat.